Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This Beijer Bosch PCS 950 operator interface is used in a Bosch Encapsulation machine model number GFK 2000. This Bosch PCS 950 encapsulation machine is capable of producing over 100,000 capsules an hour and is most commonly found in the drug industry. This interface has been completely rebuilt and is ready for use again after a number of failed parts were identified and replaced, including the main LCD and backlight. This particular unit was set up and run for a day prior to shipment to ensure all problems have been resolved. As with all our repairs, this control system comes with our 3-year warranty and has been fully tested. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.